Morning everybody, how you doing? Hope everybody slept well. I did. The itinerary this morning is to head up to Phoenix, check in with the Kenworth dealer up there, and I'm going to be getting some upgrades on Ghost. So let's load up the map. Spent the night at the intersection of I-10 and 90. We're going to run up to Phoenix up here, and as you see there's a Kenworth dealer. I'm going to put a pin on that. That'll go into the GPS and lead me right to him. Plus, not too far down the road, about a block, is a garage up for sale. Maybe that'll be my next base of operations.
Ready to roll.
That is Skye with an E, S-K-Y-E. She's the voice navigation on the new Google's Map download that I got last night for my GPS.
Turn right. Keep left and then turn left. Turn left. turn right. This is where it ends.
The sky can be a little dramatic at times. All right, let's spend some money. So I've got about 1,100 miles on Ghost, and he's got about $1,100 in quick repairs. Let's get it taken care of. First up, I chose Goodyear Fuel Max S315 80 tires. Take a look at that. That really changes the stance of the truck. That'll also change my final ratio. Should get a little bit better fuel mileage. And of course, we'll put them on the back also. Next up, mirrors. I want mirrors all over Ghost. Help my view. Help me see what's going on around me. And let's get some more light on Ghost. Tuned up, fixed, new shoes, new lights, new mirrors. Just about a block away is a shop for sale. Let's go take a look at that. I can't afford another base of operations, but let's just go see what's out there here in North Phoenix. Here we are. Okay, a 3-bay shop. Very good. All right, let's get out and peek in the windows. Take a look. Much more spacious than what I have right now. A little dirty inside, you know, these used places, they've got a lot of stuff packed up in there. So anyway, it's something to think about, and it's just 1 block away from a Kenworth dealer. So like I said, something to think about. All right, well, time to go find a place to lay my head for the night. Today was a lazy day, just taking care of personal stuff and Ghost upgrades, and tomorrow we hit the road.